Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel that does delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this simple and delicious chicken wrap. Please help this video to reach 50 likes by pressing the like button, and it also helps the video to reach other audience as well. In my bowl here, I have my boneless chicken thigh which has been washed with some fresh lemon, and I also season it with some salt, some black pepper, some garlic, some paprika, some curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, basil, red chili, some fresh ginger, and I also added some honey as well. I'm adding some fresh lemon juice. We're going to mix everything together and season it for about 30 minutes before we cook it. If you miss anything, all the ingredients is down below. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to comment down below. Thank you. For our chicken wrap sauce, in my bowl here, I added some black pepper, some paprika, some Greek yogurt, some mayonnaise, some honey, and some red chili. We're going to mix everything together and use it for later. You know you can't go wrong with a bit of mixed salad in your chicken wrap. So here I'm about to cut some vegetables for our chicken wrap, and I'm going to do a mini mixed salad, and I'm using a bit of red onion, some lettuce, and sweet pointed peppers. You can choose to use any vegetables that you want as well. And please don't forget to share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And this recipe can be used for lunch, dinner, breakfast. Anytime you want to have this chicken wrap, you can have it. It's so tasty and delicious. So on a high heat, I added a bit of oil in my pan. We're about to cook our chicken, which has been marinating for about 30 minutes. We're going to cook it for about 15 minutes. So as you can see, our chicken has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and it's looking delicious and juicy. You need to try this recipe out. It's very good and it's very quick and tasty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. So now we're about to put our chicken wrap together, and I'm using a plain tortilla wrap. You can choose to use any choice of tortilla that you want. So I added my sauce and my salad before my chicken and a bit of cheese on top. And please make sure you don't put your chicken first, because when it's warm it makes your wrap very soggy. So that's the trick. And this is how we are going to put our wrap together, and this is how we are going to continue with it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and please make sure you share my videos. If you want me to do any recipes, please don't forget to comment down below, and please make sure this video reach 50 likes by clicking the like button. Thank you. So this is how you're gonna do it. A bit of sauce, a bit of cold salad before the warm chicken. Please make sure you don't put your chicken first, because it's gonna make your wrap very soggy. And please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now our chicken wrap is all put together. We're gonna brush it with a bit of butter and seal the edges, and also warm our cheese and also give it that crunch at the end. So on the medium heat, I added my chicken wrap in my pan just to seal the edges so it doesn't fall apart, and also melt our cheese in our wrap, and also give it that crunch. So we're going to do that for about 2 minutes on each side. And now our chicken wrap is ready, and I'm going to slice it and show you guys. You need to try this recipe out. Imagine having a cold drink with this wrap. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.